Hey everybody, this is a little hack a friend of mine told me about. I've been doing a lot of highway driving lately, and you get a lot of bugs on your bumper and they're extremely hard to get off. I just got back and I spent an hour with a bug remover and some elbow grease trying to get them off. So he said take some Pam cooking spray, spray the front of your bumper where the bugs usually stick, and they'll come right off when you get that back from your trip. So we're going to give this a shot and see how it works. The square edges on the front of the Maverick certainly catch a lot of bugs and stuff there, so we'll see how this works. So everybody, I'm back from my trip across the island. I drove approximately 2,000 kilometers in the past 5 days. There's quite a few bugs stuck in the front of the vehicle. Now we did have some heavy rain, so I don't know how much of this oil washed off and how many of the bugs stuck after, but just to see compared to the last time when I tried to wash this off, I was an hour getting bugs off the front with a bug degreaser and pressure washer. So I'm just going to give this a little shot now with the hose and brush, and if that doesn't get it all, I'm going to try the pressure washer and see if it comes off without too much elbow grease, and then we'll see how it was. I'll let you know how it was compared to my trip without the cooking oil sprayed on the front of the truck. You can see the bugs there that are stuck on really good down underneath, so we'll just give it a shot and see how much of it comes off. Very little effort. Last time I did this and none of it came off. Then I sprayed it and let it soak with a bug degreaser, dirt and grime and bug degreaser. I let it soak, and then I pressure washed it, and I still ended up having to spot scrub some of the insects. Well, I can tell you that just with the regular car brush, about 95% of the insects are coming off the front of this. So I'm just going to rinse it off and give you a look. So this is just a quick wash. I gotta wash the rest of the vehicle. So there you have it. That's just a little hack to help keep some of the insects and grimes off the front of your vehicle. I'm obviously not a paint expert, so I can't guarantee this is not gonna hurt your paint, but I can tell you that it didn't hurt mine, and I do know several people who've used it. It's just a mild cooking spray that you would grease your frying pans with. And it saved me a whole lot of elbow grease and time when I returned from some highway driving in a heavily insected area. Thanks for watching, everybody.